Hey guys, I will be making some lemon pepper chicken in my oven. In here I have flour, pepper, and garlic. And then my chicken. So you want to pat dry them and then season them, so that way it can get the seasonings better when you pat dry the chicken. So I'm putting my dry seasonings first. Okay, and so I put my dry seasonings on my chicken. Now I'm gonna do my wet seasoning. While you doing your dry seasonings with your chicken, make sure you have your oven on preheating on 350 to 400 depending on how your oven is. My wet seasonings, which is basically lemon juice, some chicken broth, some lemon juice, black pepper, what else did I add? Salt, cornstarch, vinegar, some water, a little bit of garlic, rosemary, dill seeds, and of course black pepper flakes. I think that's everything that I added in my wet seasonings. If I forgot anything, I will make sure I put it in the description below. I'm going to cut up my other lemon and add some fresh lemons in as well, and then some butter. I'll show you before I pop it into my oven. So since I did everything, look how nice and good it looks with the sauce and the dry seasoning and the wet seasonings. So I'm going to place her in my oven for 40 minutes, and I'm going to turn my oven up to 425 degrees, and then I'll check it in 40 minutes. If the skin looks nice and crispy and the inside is nice and done, then we'll eat it, and I'll show you when it's done. I'm going to be making some rice to pair and a nice salad as well. It's been 40 minutes, so let's look at it. Ooh, it smells so good. I wanted to show you guys my rice, and I have a question for you guys. Do you season your rice, or do you just make the rice and don't season it? Let me know.